Imagine a world where you control your data and finances. Welcome to Web3, the next evolution of the internet. Unlike Web2, Web3 offers decentralization, security, and transparency through blockchain technology. At FundedHive, Web3 automates payouts, protects your funds, and eliminates fraud. This revolutionary technology empowers you to trade with confidence and security, ensuring your assets are always in your hands. To dive into Web3, you'll need a Web3 wallet. MetaMask is your gateway. It's free, secure, and user-friendly. Visit metamask.io and download the extension for your browser. Click Create a Wallet and set a strong password. Your seed phrase is your master key. Write it down, never share it, and keep it safe. Confirm your seed phrase to complete the wallet setup. Congratulations! You've created a secure Web3 wallet. This wallet is your digital vault, safeguarding your assets and enabling seamless transactions on the blockchain. Now your wallet needs some Ethereum. This covers both your access fee and a small gas fee to interact with our smart contracts. You have two ways to top up. Option 1, buy ETH directly inside MetaMask. Click the Buy button in your wallet. Choose your payment method, credit card, Apple Pay, or a bank transfer. Option 2, use a crypto exchange. Buy ETH on Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. Then send it to your MetaMask wallet address. Visit FundedHive.com and click Login. At the dashboard, click on Buy Challenges to link MetaMask. Approve the connection to establish your on-chain identity. Welcome to the Hive, where skill meets innovation. Your wallet is now linked. Use it for funding challenges, receiving payouts, and accessing NFT certificates. Ready to start trading?